In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 1010 app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use the 1010 app by downloading it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Regardless of the platform that you are using, you will be able to acquire 1010. So in this video, I am doing this process on my Android device, but you will also be able to do it if you have an iOS device instead. So once you open the application, you will be able to tap Let's Go. You can enter your age here, so just go ahead and type it out, tap continue, and now you can either sign in with Google, TikTok, or use your email. You will have to set up an account, so choose whichever option you prefer. Once you choose any of these accounts, you will be redirected to this specific service. You can go ahead and authorize, and you will be able to sign into 1010. You will get this introduction here. Let's get started. So first, you have to set up a profile pic. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a random picture here. You can take your time and carefully plan out your picture, but I'm just speeding through this just to show you how it looks. So once you have the profile picture set up, you will be able to add your name. You can type whatever you wish here. Proceed. And now you can add your friends. So this is going to be the primary focus of 1010. It is a nice way to connect you to your closest friends in a real-time, walkie-talkie-like way. So if I tap Add Friends, they are going to give me instructions for permissions because they need to access the contacts. Now, you will need to give them microphone permissions while using the app and then allow it to run in the background. So I'm just going to let it run. Now, once this is done, you will be able to connect to them by reaching them with 1010. So as you can see, you have your pin here at the top right corner of the screen, and you can copy it, and you will need to actually add someone before using it. And because of this, I will not be able to show you the full process of how it looks. But if you type a pin here, you will be able to add someone who is also using 1010. And after this is done, you will be able to interact with them by opening the application from here. So all that you have to do is share your pin and talk to your close friends from here. It gives you real-time communication all about voice. There is no typing, and like I said, it is designed for intimate connections with your closest friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to use 1010 app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.